Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be recording my next declutter. Let's start first with the primers. I have an empty bin here already, just to put everything there and move faster. This primer is expired. It's not my favorite. I didn't use it that much. I thought I was gonna use it more, but as you see, even have a hair in there, and it's old. This is just expired. I didn't use it that much. I think I have another one that I like better than this one, and that one is the Tasha one. I actually bought a new one. It's gonna be coming soon because this one is also expired. But if you are in the look for something similar to this but it works better, I think this one from Tasha is much better. It actually works and it's not as expensive, and I think this one covers your pores, make your skin looks like more smooth for the makeup. And if you have a lot of pores like I do around my nose, this one, it will fill the pores and your makeup will look so much flawless with this one. So I highly recommend this one. If you kind of like this one or thinking of buying this one, I will recommend this one instead. But both of these are expired, so I'm going to get them out of my collection. This one I already repurchased and it's going to be here soon. And here we have the number 7. This one is something new that I've been using not too long ago. I liked it. The only problem that I have is the color is a little too dark. This is color light. Look at how dark it is. It works with my skin tone, but I don't imagine somebody that is actually light, this one working for them, because look how dark it is. Even for me, it's a thin dark. I like it without any makeup and I like it with makeup, but I think I like it better without makeup. So for those days that you want just a little bit of color in your skin and smooth your skin and fill your pores, I think this product is nice. I got this one not too long ago and it has become one of my favorite primers. This is super hydrating. So for those of you who have dry skin, normal skin, dehydrated skin, definitely this is a primer that you will love. It's really good. I think it leaves your skin so prepared for makeup, especially in these cold days, in those winter days where your skin tends to be more dry, or you're using a matte foundation which is too drying for your skin. This primer is for you. It's super hydrating, leave your skin super ready for the actual makeup, and it's a little bit gripping, so it helps the makeup to stay longer, and it has a very light consistency, so it won't make your skin greasy if you have more combo skin like mine. As you see, it's very hydrating. I won't be able to put all of that in my hand, but this one is super hydrating. This is the liquid form from this one right here. I don't like either or. I think there are other primers that are better. This one is not expired yet, so I'm gonna keep it, even though it says 6 months. I'm not sure, but this one is definitely expired. I'm not sure if this one is expired, but I mean, it's so many other primers, sorry, that I would rather buy. Like this one is 100% a buy for me. This one, not so sure though. I mean, like, it's okay. It's no big deal. If you have really oily skin, this is a really mattifying primer. I really like this one side primer. I also really like their foundation powder too. This one is super gripping and super good to keep your skin very matte. I really like it too. And it fills your pores. And you see, even my hand, it makes it matte. Like here, I had the Smashbox. It's a little radiance. Here is like matte. Your skin looks matte as soon as you apply it. So if you really like matte primers and the whole team of matte, or you have very oily skin, this one side primer is really good. I mean, these Fenty Primers, I don't like any of them. I don't find them any special. I just have them because obviously if you have their foundations and everything, you kind of like try to use the whole collection. But these primers are like whatever. I don't care about them. This thing is expired. I had it for a while. I never really find any good thing about these Farsalis. I tried them, many of them, and I just don't see the appealing of it. I mean, it makes my skin more greasy, and my skin is combo. I don't like grease. So this one is a whatever. I mean, I don't care about this. This one was one of my favorite all-time primers. Hourglass just came out with a new primer, so I don't know what is gonna happen with that. I might pick it up. I'm not sure. This one is really cool because it also has an FPS, SPF of 15. This one kind of mattifying your skin and hydrate at the same time. It's like a hybrid. It leaves a little bit of white cast, which some people don't really like that much. You just have to work it up on your skin a lot more than normal primers. But as you see, it melts away. This product helped the makeup to last longer. I actually really enjoy it. I like that it has the SPF, and I also like that it covers my fine lines and my pores. It is no grippy, so it won't help your makeup to stay longer, but since the base is very well made, it does tend to help the makeup to last longer. So it is a combination of multiple things at the same time in this product, so that's why I really enjoy this one. I'm not sure if this one is expired, but I think this is my third one, so I don't know. Yeah, this one is very old. Actually, this one expires in 2020, so this one is gone. So maybe I replace it with the brand new one. Oh, I know this one is expired. But this one from Cover Fats, this is really good. The gripping primer, the name says it, is grippy. It grips your makeup so well. So if you have a foundation or something that doesn't want to stay in your face, or maybe the nose. My nose doesn't like makeup. So this primer is definitely good for that. It's definitely really good for that. I cannot wrap my head around this product because I don't know if when I got my pimples was this product or was something else or was my period. And every time that I remember to try it, I'm around my period, so I cannot try it. So I'm going to keep it in my collection just because I really need to still figure it out. What is the deal with this product? This was the most disappointing product I ever had tried from McGrath. The packaging is terrible. It's peeling. Look at this. It's very plastically. It's horrible. Like the primer is not terrible, but the packaging is so terrible for the price. I mean, it's okay primer. It's not like the best thing in the world, and this is probably already expired, especially the way it is looking like. Yeah, this is expired. It lasts 12 months, and this is longer than 12 months. I wasn't impressed with this. It's an okay primer. This is like a $10 primer for me in my head. I mean, and I paid like 40, I think. I didn't like this thing. I think I'm getting rid of a lot of primers here because a lot of them are old. So let's see what happens in here. This is something that I got from BoxyCharm, I believe, or it was Ipsy. This is a very interesting product. I have used it multiple times. It's similar concept to the Tasha paste one. This one right here, similar concept, but it actually works a little better. Glam Glow is more recognized for skincare than anything else, but primer, it is kind of like skincare because it's before makeup. And this one, I like it in my nose, but it does make me clot my pores. Like it makes my I don't know, it's like my pores don't breathe well with it, so I get a lot of blackheads when I use it. So I only use this when I really need my makeup to last forever and don't move, because it actually works but does clot my pores. This is another product that I found through BoxyCharm or Ipsy. I don't remember who sent this one first. I think it was BoxyCharm. The No Problem primer from Touching Soul. This is my only one. As you see, I have a lot of primers, so I do use primer every day, and I think the only primer that I have used completely and bought another one is this one from Belle. Besides that, I don't. But this one is really cool too, though. I have bought a bunch of times to give it away to some of the girls in my Spanish channel. So I do like it. I think it's cool. I don't think this one is expired yet. Maybe it is. I don't know. One of the reasons why I like it so much is because it's Korean and it's very hydrating. And it is kind of like between... I had too many primers in my hand. This is kind of like between... hydrating and gripping primer, because it's a little sticky but it's also hydrating, so that's why I like this one. I'm gonna keep it as a reference because I buy it a lot for my followers in my Spanish channel, so I'm gonna keep it as a reference. But I think this is expired. This is definitely expired. I bought this long time ago. I got it from Nordstrom Rack. This is the Smashbox photo finish. If you're gonna buy something from Smashbox, buy this one. This is the best one. Oh, this is definitely expired. Oh my god, this is a foam. This was really cool though. It was cooling. I don't like cold things in my face. That's probably why I use it a couple of times, even in my Instagram account, I use it a couple of times to do some makeup looks because obviously when you get something new, which you try a lot. But this guy right here is it's Aspire. I remember working right, especially because it has that cooling effect. It made my pores shrink, and then you put the powder in top, so it helps everything to stay kind of like small and cool looking like. Because of the cooling effect, everything kind of like got small, and it was nice. But I mean, it's definitely inspired, and I won't buy it again because I hate cooling stuff on my face. Oh, this product is super, super old. This is literally like 3 or 4 years old. This is the Banana Bright face primer, and the problem with this product is that every time that I use it, I break out because the vitamin C. Actually, right now I'm using a vitamin C that was sent to me as a serum, and I'm breaking out in a weird way, but I'm not sure if it's my period. That's a problem. I only have my period once a month, but it's a whole week, so I only had 3 weeks to figure it out if it is my period or not. And this one was a problem. I was breaking out, and I wasn't sure if it was this or my diet or whatever. So I have problems with vitamin C. So that's why I barely use this product. When I was using it, I found out that it was a little bit weird smell on it. The banana scent that Ola Harrison has. I don't like it. So this is something that I think is too old. I don't care about it anymore. I think there are more new and exciting primers in the market. Even though this thing I think is one of the most old primers in the history, but I love it though. I keep referring back to this, so I think this is my brand new favorite primer right now. I think that is what it is. I'm referring to it too much. Anyhow, this is all old, and I don't like it. From LYS, and I haven't even started using it. This one right here is a primer that I haven't used either. This one right here is a primer, very, very old, from Dr. Brand. I don't even remember having this, so has to be gone. This is another one from Oil and Shine Control, Smashbox. I remember this being a little bit too drying for me. I didn't like it, and it's very old too. We have here the By Beauty. This is for oily skin. They have two, one for oily skin and one for regular skin. This is also Aspire. This is super, super Aspire. I used to use this a lot. I like the whole collection. It was kind of like cool, but I didn't see much of a improvement in my makeup the days that I was using this, so I don't care much about it. This is a sample. This is one that I wanted to love so badly, but this is more like an actual cream than a primer. So it is hydrating, and that's the whole point of this product. But it also, I mean, it didn't really help me with my makeup to last longer, actually, because it was too hydrated, too much moisture on it. It was breaking out faster. So I do not like this product for my skin. And remember, I am combo. This is a sample of that Tasha product. I think this is empty, not sure, but it's old. This is 2 samples of the beauty blender that I don't remember when I got this. And this is Disgusting All. This is Professional from Benefit. I definitely don't use this anymore either. And here we have, this is a hack that I heard about it. This is Aspire in 2020. So I'm going to leave it here just to remind myself which one I have to buy. But this is really good to keep your makeup in place. Like, this is a hack. So only for you waiting for the day you have to look perfect. Never use this every day. Did a lot of declutter. This is very, very simple here, and a couple of things here. I'm only keeping it for reference and to try them again. So I only have like 5 primers now. This is pretty clean for me.